This is the man who's been stirring the pot all week. The bane of the Holden racing team. Unbelievable performance from this 2-year-old car.
I think they'd be delighted just to see the performance that Larry has been able to wring out of it. I mean, he has the alternative, I guess you could say. Larry is not only a brilliant engineer, but he's a pretty fine race car driver. And listen to the mob giving him a welcome as he comes up to take the green flag. Picked up the sponsorship of Bob Jane T-Marts for the Sandown 500. He's taking her in here nice and deep too.
Larry Perkins, 41 years of age, works out of Melbourne. Prolific engine and car builder, provides probably half of the cars that are out here at the moment, plus prepares his own car to this immaculate level. And a guy with enormous experience in all kinds of racing cars.
His top qualifying time yesterday was 2:14.08. It caused the scrutineers some sleepless hours last night, but they've been over the car with a fine tooth comb and declared it to be 100%.
If you ever want to see a guy pick up a Commodore by the scruff of the neck, this is the bloke. I was watching him across the mountain on Friday. It was just breathtaking stuff.
Tell you what, the car is perfectly legal, but if Larry cracks a 2:12 in this, they'll take him to the local bionic ward.
3 times Bathurst winner, Peter Brock.
Listen to the cheers up here. He's got a huge following here at Mount Panorama. A lot of Victorians here.
Just brushes the brakes off. Cuts the road down as short as he can. The crowd going berserk. Larry's a big favourite up here. Doing a superb job. 111.384. So he's a little bit slower than Dick across the top.
But faster than Glenn Seaton.
He would be hard-pressed to match the straight line speed of a Ford Sierra qualifying. But Larry will give it everything.
Very smooth.
Brushes the concrete wall on the way out.
Here he comes down Subaru Straight.
Won the Sandown 500 3 weeks ago. He's in good form. He'll be hoping for an equal sort of result on Sunday. It's been a very smooth lap from Larry. You can see he's right on the limit, but he's holding it all together quite nicely. He just loves taking these things around the mountain.
Well, he comes beneath the Bridgestone Bridge, the completion of his lap.
Very smooth, very controlled. This will be a good lap from Larry.
Well, he's looking for a 2:14.5, 2:14.6, I'd reckon, but we'll see what happens when they stop the clock. Time about to come up. 2:14.431, spot on for Larry Perkins.
So he's undercut Glenn Seaton, but still nowhere near Dick Johnson, as you'd expect.
Larry, 2:14.431, a little down on yesterday, but pretty impressive.
Yeah, it's as good as I could do. It felt very good. We've got to keep it all together for tomorrow, but that's as good as I could do, and wait and see.
She's not the newest car in the fleet, but she's certainly going to be one of the most consistent. You'd know her better than anyone.
She's pretty new under the bonnet, don't worry.